Hey friends, if you encounter the error insufficient system resources exist to complete the API on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. The command is msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. Now copy it, press the Windows key and the R key together and paste it, or simply type it. It's very easy to remember. Hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next one is to update your device driver. Okay, now which device driver? So a better thing is to update all the drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, click on optional updates and install all the available optional updates. The next one is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next one is to perform system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore, select next, choose a good restore point, select next, and now click on finish and finally click on yes to initiate the system restore process. And if everything else fails, then I guess the last option is to simply cloud reset your PC. I'll mention it properly. It's called a cloud reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select recovery in the right pane, select reset PC, select remove everything, and finally select cloud reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.